Welcome to learn about astronomy, and today we're going to talk about the Gemini meteor shower coming up on December 13th. That's Friday, December 13th this week. The Gemini meteor shower is one of the good showers, and the best peak will be from about 10 p.m. Friday evening and all through the night through Saturday. What's cool about the Gemenid is that they are very bright. There's a lot of bright meteors in this Gemini meteor shower. It's one of those big meteor showers of the year. It is about 50 meteors, 50 to 60 meteors an hour. That's in a very dark sky. And this year, the moon is going to be close to the full moon. So it's not the best time for watching the Gemenid. But what's cool about this one is that there are mixed in with the regular fainter meteors, lots and lots of bright, very bright meteors and almost fireball-like. So even if there's a moon and even if you're in the big city, don't expect to see, like one every 2 minutes. But if you spend at least an hour and a half outside, you should see 2 or 3 very bright meteors streak across the sky. I would say about, from my count here in Montreal, I would say about between 2 and 4 bright meteors per hour in a big city might actually be seen. So where do you find Gemini? Gemini at 10 p.m. is to the east sky. And one way that you can find it, that it's easy to see, is first of all, Jupiter. Jupiter will be shining at 10 p.m. very bright to the southeast. You can't miss it. It's extremely bright. And it's the brightest thing there pretty much in the southeast sky. If you look to the left of Jupiter, even in a big city, and I've spotted them this week because I was watching the sky on, I believe it's Tuesday, and I could see Gemini has 2 really bright stars, Castor and Pollux. They are to the left of Jupiter. So you'll spot Jupiter, a bright star, to the southeast. And to the left, you'll see 2 stars aligned. These are Castor and Pollux. And you can see here they are the head of the Gemini constellation, actually. So these are the 2 bright stars that you should see. So that config makes it easy to spot in the sky, and you should actually go out and check for that. Of course, the 2 Gemini stars will be getting higher and higher in the northeast at 10 p.m. and slowly getting higher as night goes by. Now, meteors from the Gemenid, why do they call it the Gemenid, first of all? Is because they seem to come from the Gemini constellation. The Gemini constellation is the center point, so don't look directly at the Gemini constellation when you want to look at meteors, but around it. Because since they come from that area of the sky, some will streak downward from the constellation, but others will streak upward above the constellation and to the sides, the left and the right. It's like we're going head-on into the breeze from this meteor shower, and so they're streaking across the sky from a point from the Gemini and going outwards. So it means that if you want to make sure that what you see is a Gemini, when you see a meteor streak the sky, well, go backwards, trace the line that it made in the sky and go backwards. Does it come from the direction of Gemini? Did it come from that constellation? If it did come from that general area, then you know that it's a Gemini. And why did I say that? Because in the night sky, any time of the year, you have about 10 to 20 meteors. These are scattered meteors. They're not part of any meteor shower, but they are streaking across the sky, and they will have no direction that is from Gemini. So for example, if you watch a meteor that comes from, let's say, the south and going north, well, it's probably not a Gemini, because it doesn't come, if you trace it to where it comes from, it won't cross the constellation Gemini. You know it's not a Gemenid. So try having fun, and if you see meteors, trace them back. Look at the trace they left in the sky, the direction they came from. Does it come from Gemini? Well, it's a Gemini. But if you see one that just doesn't come from there, that means you've probably seen either a stray meteor, or I believe there's also another weak meteor shower coming from Sagittarius, if I'm not mistaken. So you might be able to see something like that. But these are very, very faint, so chances are pretty weak that you'll see that. So on Friday night, why not take a look at Jupiter, have fun with some friends, dress warmly if it's cold. Here I know that Friday is going to be a really cold one. They say it should be about -20 centigrade at night. That's going to be really cold for watching the Gemini, but hey, I'm going to dress up and surely go and take a peek of the Gemini meteor shower. And also take a peek at Jupiter. Bring a pair of binoculars and take a look. So this is going to be the nice Gemenid meteor shower for Friday. So hopefully you'll have fun and take a look. I'll probably report on Friday if I can. I will probably do some observations and probably report if I've seen some Gemenid, do a quick video. So hopefully I'll be seeing a few before I freeze up at -20 degrees. Of course, if it's warmer where you are, then that's really nice. And if it's cold, well, just dress up, because one of the biggest problems with astronomy, it's something that, you know, we stay put, we don't move, so our body freezes quite fast. Why not, you know, bring your favorite hot drink, some hot cocoa, hot chocolate, or coffee in the thermos, and warm up with friends, and do a few exercises every 15-20 minutes. You know, just run a little bit, or try to move a lot so that you can get warmer. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you really want to help us share these videos with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, help everybody learn about astronomy. And hopefully, if you enjoy our channel, well, maybe you have comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And hopefully you'll come back and watch our videos on this Learn About Astronomy channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.